Purchasing furniture online. Buying furniture online offers convenience and access to a vast array of styles and price points. Several reputable retailers provide extensive selections to suit various tastes and budgets. Wayfair. Wayfair is known for its extensive selection of furniture and home goods, catering to diverse styles and budgets. They offer frequent sales and promotions, making it a popular choice for online furniture shopping. Ikea. Ikea offers a wide range of modern and affordable furniture options. Their online platform provides detailed product descriptions and assembly instructions, making it easier to choose and set up furniture that fits your space and style. Overstock. Overstock specializes in discounted furniture and home decor items. They offer a variety of styles from contemporary to traditional, often at reduced prices due to overstocked inventory. The Dump Furniture Outlet. The Dump provides luxury furniture, mattresses, and rugs at discounted prices. They acquire design samples, closeouts, and overstocks, offering them at significant savings to customers. Chairish. Chairish is a curated online marketplace for high-end vintage home furnishings and art. It's an excellent platform for finding unique, pre-owned pieces that add character to your space. Considerations. When purchasing furniture. Online. Measurements. Carefully review the dimensions of furniture pieces to ensure they fit your space appropriately. Customer reviews. Reading reviews can provide insight into the quality and durability of the furniture, as well as the reliability of the retailer. Return policies. Familiarize yourself with the retailer's return and exchange policies in case the furniture doesn't meet your expectations. Assembly requirements. Some furniture may require assembly. Check if instructions are provided and consider whether you have the necessary tools and skills. In conclusion, purchasing furniture online offers a convenient way to explore a wide range of styles and prices. By considering factors such as measurements, customer reviews, and return policies, you can make informed decisions to enhance your living space.